Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a 24-hour food challenge. Like for the entire day, I'm gonna eat whatever is in this. And what is this? This is a mini brand. I love mini brands, and I got a comment, and I wish I could remember who commented it, but you know who you are. I wish I could have saved it. I don't remember what social media platform it was on even to go look for it, but somebody suggested this video, and I was like, that is such a good idea. So girl, thank you so much, and I'm definitely doing your request right now. I think this is a great idea. If you guys want to see me do this again, you can give this video a thumbs up, subscribe while you're here, and definitely don't forget to click the bell to turn on the notifications so you guys can actually see when I post. So let's see what I got. Okay, now, there could be like shampoo in here or like deodorant. So I'm hoping I at least get one food item. I'm hoping, and also I live in Canada. Sometimes I get like United States brands where I'm like, what? So we're just gonna see if I have to go out and get another mini brands. But I'm just gonna hope that I can do it with the one. And if you're unsure what mini brands are, if anyone cares, I got the Zuru 5 Surprises Series 2. They are mini versions of brand name products. I hope I'm gonna get some good food. All right. Okay. I got some taco seasoning mix. Okay, that's good. I hope I can get something to season. On to, you know. Oh god. We have seasoning mix. Nutritious. But I like that. I don't have that in my collection, so I'm happy about that at least. What do we get? Shake and bake. So, pretty much another seasoning packet, and this is the pork one. It looks like this, shake and bake, which I like shake and bake. I don't have this also in my collection, so that's cool. But I need like some kind of food right now. I think we're gonna have to go and get another one of these. I hope not. Well, this went weird. Mayo. Girl, what am I supposed to do here? I'm like, oh my god. Oh my god, I got a thingy. I got a gold one. I got a gold one. Okay, this is like, I got a gold one. It's gold, but it is still seasoning. It's Old Bay seasoning, but I got a gold one. Well, I bought two. Oh my goodness. The last but not least, we have relish. Relish. I dropped it. So we have some condiments and some spices. Okay, so it's not a gold one. It's apparently metallic, and it is a rare one. So I'm happy about that, but girl, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go out and buy another mini brand because I need some kind of substance. Oh my god, they're completely sold out. There's only this here right now. Oh my god. Which one? Yes, finally. Oh my god, bagel bites. See, look at all this food. I want that.
For items without none.
Yay! Okay, we're hoping for some kind of food item. God, these are hard to open. Ooh, come on, food. Let's do this. Come on, I'm so nervous. Even like crackers, something. Oh! Okay, we got Laughing Cow cheese, and it's metallic! I got another metallic! Like, oh my god, this is, look at it. Okay. Cool. Yay! Cheese! Come on, crackers. You got this. You got this! Crackers. What is it? Do you guys see what it is? Oh my god, it's lotion. And I already have this one. Obviously, I'm not gonna eat that. Haters would love that. I died. Crackers. What is that? It's taco seasoning! I can't. Is this? Oh my god, we got two more. We have two more. I need food. I'm so hungry right now. Like, it's 10:30. I've been running around the city. Come on, even like Spam, something. Oh, I got crackers! Oh my god, ew, nut thins. Okay, well, I don't care. Almond and rice cracker snacks. I'm gonna throw up, but it's fine. We'll make it work. Me eating crackers all day. Okay, the last one. Bagel bites, a Lunchable. That'd be sick. Good vibes. Good vibes. Good vibes. What is that? I don't think we have this in Canada, but I could probably find something similar. This is called dipping chocolate. Baker's dipping chocolate. I don't know, like, I'm probably just shove chocolate in my face. It looks so real. You can see dipping chocolate. What am I supposed to dip in there? Cheese? Lotion? Hold on, now I gotta go buy some of this stuff. So, I mean, at least I got some crackers. Okay, so just to go through everything, recap everything, I guess. This is what I'm going to be consuming today. $3.97, not too bad. Oh, we do have this in Canada. Cool, I've never used this. Taco seasoning next. Okay, so I've been to 3 different grocery stores now and we don't have nut thins, or I'm going to the wrong places maybe. There's either wheat thins, good thins. I don't know what would be most like it. Like there's tons of different wheat thins. Sorry I can't get the exact brand, but I can get something like it. Way in the corner past all the thins are the nut thins. Yay. Okay, so I've decided for this that if I do this again and today, that I'm going to do one like bonus item. I get to choose anything to add on to it. So like something that wasn't in the mini brown. So I chose some chicken for supper. So everything else, I think I have a plan in my head of what I'm gonna do. So right now is breakfast, so. Okay, I'm just gonna try these nut thins first. These are the only ones there. I'm just so glad I was able to find them. I just wanna see if they're sweet or more savory to decide what I'm gonna do right now. Oh, they smell sweet. Actually pretty good. Okay. So, if you guys don't know what the Laughing Cow cheese is, it'll look like this, quite aesthetically pleasing. And I'm just gonna have that. You know what, I'm gonna live a little and have 2. Here's my breakfast. I have some crackers and some cheese. It's not terrible, but let's see. Yum. It's like cream cheese pretty much. I just spilled all the cheese on the floor. It's lunchtime and something came to my head to make. I have no idea if this is gonna be good or bad or what. We're gonna hope. I'm preheating my air fryer for about 10 minutes on 400. In this bowl, I'm gonna put 3 Laughing Cow cheeses. And then I'm gonna take, this better be good. I've never had Old Bay seasoning before. I know it's mainly for like seafood and like seafood boils. Ooh, stuff like that, like on mussels. Why is this packaging so bad? But you never know, it might be good on here. I'm gonna do what I can. So let's put some in with this cheese. Smells good. I'm gonna mush it around. I need way more of this. What am I actually doing? Like really? Now I'm contemplating putting some relish in here because I have relish and I don't know what to do with relish. I don't like relish. Okay. Smells okay. And then I'm just going to spread it on. Is this gonna work? I want lunch, like real lunch. I feel like that's way too much. Okay. Well, it looks like this. Please be good. Now for the other 2, I'm gonna put some relish in here. I mean, it might be good, right? That was a lot of relish. This looks disgusting. I don't know, it kind of looks good, but it kind of looks bad. It actually smells good. Now, that's good. Oh, I had like a minute left. Drop. We don't know what's happening. I don't know. Oh no, they stuck together. Oh no. Please be good. I'm gonna do like 5 minutes. Here we go. Cool! Still eating them. Those needed like 2 minutes, not 5. That was only 5 minutes. I mean, cool. They still might be good, calm down. Like what else should I do for lunch? Like I can. Sounds like flopped. Maybe the burnt will add some like texture to it. Oh my god, yum. Bobby Flay, is that you? Okay, this is what we're looking at. I'm gonna try. Can this get any worse? Okay, yum. I really like that. I'm gonna try the relish one now. Some veggies. Okay. I mean, this is a snack, let's be honest. Not a lunch, but it tastes good. Good. Yay. I'm so hungry. Okay, let's try this chocolate out. I couldn't get that exact brand, but I did get chocolate dipping chocolate for fruit. It's not that exact brand, but it's what the product is. It's just not the brand, even though it's called mini brand. What am I dipping in there? Cheese? Crackers? No, I'm just gonna eat it. Like, I'm hungry. Ooh. Oh, baby. Yes, calories. Oh, it's like pudding. Oh my god, look at that. Mmm. is that sweet? This is probably so obnoxious. I'm overwhelmed. I can do what I want. Oh my god. When you're on your period, that would be the best thing to have. Just like a tub of chocolate you can just eat. Hello everybody. So I'm starving. I'm so hungry. So I think I'm gonna be able to come up with something with this chicken. I'm just gonna wing it, honestly. Okay, so I have the chicken. I'm gonna sprinkle some taco seasoning all over them. Woohoo! It's gonna be very taco-y. Now, I'm just going to put some mayo on them. This will make it just like a little creamy, I think, I hope. But I have to use mayo, so that's what I'm doing. Hopefully let's just cream it up. Now with the shake and bake, the crispy pork one. Okay, this is looking good. These look so good. So I'm gonna put them in right now. So I was gonna have crackers as my side or like cheese or something, but I think I'm just gonna have the chicken. Then have some chocolate for dessert. Well, I'll let you guys know how the chicken is. We will take it out and we'll see, but if you guys want me to do this again or if you thought it was boring, please let me know. Sounds lovely. Look at it. It looks so crispy too. How is that, Zev? He just sits because it's really hot there. People think it's disgusting, but chicken's ready to come out. I already took it out, girl. Yum. Okay, they feel really tender. Let's cut one open, shall we? Nice and cooked. Looks like this. Yum. Yum. It's so creamy from the Miracle Whip. By the way, I said mayo, it was Miracle Whip. Chicken's nice and tender. It tastes like a taco because of the taco seasoning. It's really, really good. This is good. I would suggest doing this, especially putting a little bit of mayo on it. Makes it really, really moist and keeps the chicken nice and juicy. Yum. And just clarification, I did have water the entire day. No Starbucks. It's a few years later. It's a few years later. Me wearing the same shirt, the same makeup. Everyone, we knew you were a liar. I hope this does it again. Oh. Yes, it's just so decadent. I know you're not supposed to eat it like this, but what am I supposed to like put in here? It's so good. This is no cap, like the best chocolate I've ever had. I can just shove my face in it. So I'm just gonna enjoy my chocolate dip and watch a movie and hang out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do it again, like I said, give it a thumbs up and I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.